Welcome to the Techie Tessie channel. My name is Tess and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the colour of your cursor. Before we dive in, I've just realised that this is the first video that I've filmed in my new house, which is so exciting. And if you've been here for a while, I know you love my whiteboard, so of course that came with me. And I have a bookshelf behind me, which also if you've been here for a while, you know that for a while I filmed with a different bookcase behind me. So it's like old times, it's nice. So without much further ado, I'm now going to show you how you can change your cursor colour in 5 easy steps. Just a little disclaimer before I start is that these steps will only work on Windows 11 devices. So if your device is using a different version of Windows, or if you're using a Mac or Linux device, then the steps for this will be different. So step 1 on how to change your cursor colour is we're going to go into our settings. And this might take a little minute to load. Okay, step 2, we're going to scroll down on the left hand side here to accessibility. Step 3, we're going to select mouse pointer and touch. Step 4, we're going to select the 4th option here, which is our custom mouse pointer. And step 5, we're going to pick our cursor colour. There's many different options, but of course I am going to choose purple. And voila! Just like that, you have a stylish new cursor colour. If you want these steps in written form, check out the description box below, where I have a written article with all of the steps written out super clearly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, please comment below which colour you changed your cursor to.